Alright, gonna do an open box review on the Air Fighter Assortment by Winda Fireworks. Let's go ahead and open it. Start here down at the bottom. Got your Miracle Bee, 16 shot. Your Hard Claw, 16 shot. These are all 200 gram cakes. And you got your Bump Bear, another 16 shot. Haven't really looked at these yet, but I'm pretty sure they're all about the same kind of cake. And you got some fountains. It's a real light one here. It's your Wonderland fountain. This one's pretty light too. Dream Flower Fin. This is more of a hybrid fountain. A little more heavier. Garden and Spring. Everybody's shot one of these before. Looks like another hybrid fountain. Desert and Night. At night. Moving on up here to the front of the assortment. Little 48 shot colored pearls. Those are a lot like bottle rockets, like a Saturn missile, just colored. And speaking of Saturn missiles, we got a 100 shot Saturn missile, a 25 shot Saturn missile, and then a premium Happy Planet. As a 48 shot, considered 200 gram. That's very similar to the pearls, just a lot bigger. And to finish it off, you got your assorted artillery ball shells, 6 shot.